Hi guys, in the last video I have discussed about comparison operators. In this video we are going to see about regular expressions in MongoDB. So regular expressions are used to match the user input and recommend the relevant topics that are related to that user input. So what I'm talking is, let me explain with the example. Let's go to Flipkart, and if I type Ellen, I'm automatically getting recommended that matches the input that I have typed. I have typed Ellen and I am getting the items with this word. So how it's displaying? It is by using regular expressions. So what I'm tagging is, let me explain with example. In the last video we have used this cloths database, and again we are going to use this database. So I have inserted some documents. Let's go to Mongo shell. We are going to work with this database called cloths. So we have to use that database by using use cloths, and then the collection name, which is shirts. So db dot shirts dot find. So if I want to retrieve all the documents where the value of brand starts with ln, so for that we have to use caret symbol. Let me explain with example. So we are going to filter the documents using brand field. So we have to use brand here, and then we have to use this, and this is the pattern matching syntax. Inside this we have to use caret symbol, and then I want to get all the documents where the brand value starts with ln. So I have to use ln here. Let me run this. We are not getting all the documents where the brand value starts with ln because MongoDB is case sensitive. So this small a and this capital A are not same. So to make case insensitive, we have to use I after the ending forward slash. So after running this, we are going to get all the documents where the brand value starts with ln. So after running this, you can see we are getting the documents where the brand value starts with ln. So even if I use ALL, I am going to get same these three documents, you can see. But if I take out this A, we will not get any documents. You can see we are not getting any documents because we don't have any documents where the value of the brand is starts with this pattern. You can see we don't have any pattern with starting LL. That's why this query is not returning any document. So this caret symbol is used to match the documents with the particular pattern that we have right after this caret symbol. So if I want to retrieve all the documents where the brand value starts with super or sup, let me type sup. After that, we are going to get the documents where the brand value starts with this pattern called sup. So this is the use of the caret symbol. So now let's see about dollar sign, which is used to match the documents where the value ends with the particular pattern. So if I want to retrieve the documents where the brand value ends with the word called LLY, I have to use the query like this: db dot and then collection name, which is shirts, and then find. And we are going to filter the documents using brand field. So I have to write brand, and then we have to use So my pattern is LLY. So I'm going to write LLY here, and then we have to use dollar sign. Let me make this case insensitive. So after running this, we are going to get all the documents where the brand value ends with LLY. So after running this, you can see we are getting the documents where the brand value ends with LLY. You can also type OLLY as well. Even that retrieves the same documents. You can see. So this is the use of dollar sign. Now let's see the dot sign. So dot sign is used to match any single character. So what I am talking is, so if I want to retrieve this shirt with the brand Nike, for that let me write the query using dot sign. So collection name, then find, then we are going to filter using brand category, and then I. So if I type N and then dot and then KE, we are going to get all the documents where the brand value is Nike. You can see we are getting capital N Nike as well as small n. So let me delete this I. So after running this, we are only going to get these documents where the brand value is Nike and the first letter is small n. You can see we are getting this. So if I type, so after running this, we are again going to get this Nike. So this is the use of the dot operator. So now let's see about dot star operator. So dot star operator is used to match either a single character or multiple characters. So if I want to retrieve all the documents where the value of name is containing the word called blue, we have to write the query like this: tb dot collection name, which is shirts, and then find function, and we are going to filter the documents by using name field. So I have to specify the name field here, and then we have to write dot star blue and then dot star. So after running this, we are going to get all the blue shirts. You can see we are getting blue shirt, blue. So what this query is doing is, this dot star represents from this capital M this space to this space, and this blue pattern indicates this blue word, and then dot star indicates from this space to this small t. So if I want to retrieve all the documents where the pattern is, let me write the pattern. So if I write like this, we're going to get all the documents, because every document is having this type of pattern, because this dot star indicates from capital M to this space, and this sh represents this sh string, and this dot star indicates from small I to small t. So every document is having this pattern in the value of name. So this is the use of dot star operator. So now let's see about backward slash b operator, which stands for word boundary. So if I want to retrieve the documents where the value of name is containing word blue, let me write a query using slash operator. So name, and then we have to write the query like this: backward slash b, and then backward slash b, and then we have to use word blue. So after running this, we are going to get all the shirts which are having blue. You can see we are getting blue. You may think that this query and this query is same. Sorry, not this. This. You may think this query and this query is same. It will both return these documents, but they are different. So let me tell the difference. So let's run this query. You can see we are getting the same documents like this. So let me copy this, paste it here. So if I write instead of blue, let's take out this E and run this. So after running this, we will not get any documents. You can see. But if we run this query, let me paste it here. And if I remove this E, still we will get this documents. Let me run this. You can see we are getting all these documents. So the difference between both these queries is this backward slash b matches only the documents which is having the word inside this. So here the word is blue. So in the value of name category we have blue word. That's why we are going to get these documents. All the documents which are having word blue. But if we run the query with only BLU, we are not getting any documents because we don't have any word called BLU. We are having characters, but we are not having a word called BLU. That's why we are not getting any documents. But if we are running this query, it is retrieving all the documents which is having this BLU characters. So this query will retrieve based on the characters, but this query will return the documents based on the word. That is the difference between these two operators. So you can also work with both comparison operators and regular expressions together. So let me explain with an example. So if I want to get the documents which is having brand Nike with capital N as well as small n without using without making MongoDB as case instance too. So for that we have to use in operator. So let me write the query db dot and then collection name which is shirts and then find function. We are going to filter the documents using brand field. So I have to use brand, and inside this brand field we have to use in operator. Remember we have discussed about this in the last video. So inside this the first condition is we are going to retrieve the documents which starts with small n as well as capital N. So after running this, we are going to get these documents with brand Nike, which is having capital N, as well as this document which is having brand value with Nike with capital with it small n. After running this, we are going to get those two documents. You can see we are getting capital N Nike as well as small n Nike. So this is the use of in operator with regular expressions. So thank you for watching.